Welcome back to Luxury Auto Insights, the home of the world's most exclusive luxury cars, hypercars, and future automotive technology. If you're passionate about groundbreaking performance, stunning design, and next-generation engineering, you're in the right place. Today we're taking a closer look at the incredible 2026 Czinger 21C, one of the most advanced hypercars ever created. Before we begin, make sure you subscribe to Luxury Auto Insights and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest luxury automotive content. The 2026 Czinger 21C isn't just another exotic hypercar. It's a revolutionary machine that combines artificial intelligence, 3D printed technology, aerospace-inspired engineering, and astonishing performance. Every inch of this car has been designed to push the limits of what is possible in automotive engineering. Unlike traditional manufacturers, Czinger uses advanced digital manufacturing processes that allow many structural components to be 3D printed. This innovative approach reduces weight while increasing strength, making the 21C one of the most technologically advanced vehicles on the planet. The design immediately captures attention. Every curve, vent, and aerodynamic surface has a purpose. Massive front splitters, sculpted air channels, an aggressive rear diffuser, and a gigantic active rear wing work together to generate exceptional downforce while maintaining incredible stability at extreme speeds. One of the most fascinating features is the unique tandem seating arrangement. Instead of placing the driver and passenger side by side, the passenger sits directly behind the driver, similar to a fighter jet cockpit. This layout improves weight distribution and creates an unforgettable driving experience unlike any other production car. Power comes from a highly sophisticated hybrid powertrain that combines a lightweight twin-turbocharged V8 engine with powerful electric motors. Together they produce an astonishing amount of horsepower, placing the 2026 Czinger 21C among the world's fastest production hypercars. Acceleration is nothing short of breathtaking. The 21C launches from 0 to 60 miles per hour in well under 2 seconds, while continuing to accelerate with relentless force. Every burst of speed demonstrates the remarkable engineering behind this extraordinary machine. Top speed is equally impressive. Designed for both straight-line performance and circuit domination, the 21C can achieve speeds exceeding 250 miles per hour under the right conditions, putting it in the elite class of record-breaking hypercars. The advanced hybrid system doesn't simply add more power. It delivers instant torque, improves efficiency, enhances corner exits, and provides seamless acceleration throughout the entire power band. Drivers experience immediate response every time they press the accelerator. Weight reduction has been one of Czinger's biggest priorities. Extensive use of carbon fiber throughout the chassis and body panels keeps the vehicle incredibly light while maintaining exceptional rigidity. The lightweight construction contributes directly to its extraordinary performance. The suspension has been engineered specifically for maximum precision. Adaptive dampers constantly monitor road conditions, allowing the car to remain comfortable enough for road driving while transforming into a track-focused weapon whenever needed. Braking performance is equally extraordinary. Massive carbon ceramic brakes provide incredible stopping power, allowing drivers to confidently slow down from extremely high speeds without compromising stability or consistency. Inside the cabin, everything focuses on the driver. The futuristic cockpit features premium materials including exposed carbon fiber, alcantara, leather, and precision-machined aluminum. Every control is positioned for maximum ergonomics and racing-inspired functionality. A fully digital instrument display provides essential driving information with remarkable clarity. Drivers can customize various performance settings, monitor hybrid system data, and access telemetry designed for high-performance driving. Despite its extreme performance, the interior remains surprisingly refined. Luxury craftsmanship blends perfectly with cutting-edge technology, creating an environment that feels exclusive, modern, and purpose-built. Aerodynamics play a major role in the 21C's capabilities. Active aerodynamic components continuously adjust depending on speed, braking, and cornering forces, ensuring maximum grip without creating unnecessary drag. Cooling systems have been carefully integrated into the bodywork. Air flows through precisely engineered channels to maintain ideal operating temperatures for both the combustion engine and electric motors during intense driving sessions. The steering delivers exceptional precision and feedback. Every movement feels connected to the road, allowing experienced drivers to fully exploit the incredible capabilities of the chassis. One of the biggest achievements of the Czinger 21C is its ability to combine extreme power with incredible balance. Instead of simply chasing horsepower numbers, engineers focused on creating a complete performance package capable of delivering confidence on road and track. Production numbers remain extremely limited, making the 2026 Czinger 21C one of the rarest hypercars available. Each example is carefully assembled with remarkable attention to detail, ensuring exclusivity for every owner. Customization options allow buyers to personalize nearly every aspect of the vehicle. Exterior colors, exposed carbon finishes, interior materials, stitching, wheels, and performance configurations can all be tailored to individual preferences. Compared with other elite hypercars, the Czinger 21C stands apart because of its manufacturing philosophy. Instead of relying solely on conventional production methods, it embraces advanced digital engineering and additive manufacturing to redefine how high-performance cars are built. Many automotive experts believe Czinger represents the future of hypercar production. Its innovative technologies may eventually influence how future performance vehicles are designed and manufactured across the automotive industry. Whether admired for its astonishing acceleration, revolutionary engineering, futuristic cockpit, or breathtaking design, the 2026 Czinger 21C proves that innovation and performance can exist together in perfect harmony. The combination of artificial intelligence, hybrid technology, lightweight construction, advanced aerodynamics, and precision engineering creates an unforgettable driving machine that challenges everything we thought possible in a production automobile. For collectors, enthusiasts, and technology lovers alike, the 2026 Czinger 21C isn't simply another hypercar. It represents a bold vision of tomorrow's automotive world, where digital manufacturing and extreme performance come together like never before. Thank you for watching Luxury Auto Insights. If you enjoyed today's deep dive into the incredible 2026 Czinger 21C, don't forget to like this video, leave your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to Luxury Auto Insights for more exclusive luxury cars, hypercars, concept vehicles, and the latest automotive innovations from around the world. We'll see you in the next video.